Hey guys, and welcome to this video. So in this video, we would be getting started with a new section or a module which will be called as Essential Developer Applications. So the first software that we are going to install is the Xcode, right? So now let's try to open App Store. So within the App Store, we would be searching with Xcode here. So let's try to download the Xcode from here. Just because Xcode is a very large file, it might take some time to open or to install. So we can wait for the installation to get completed. But do remember, if you are not using Xcode, do not install. So what happens is, a professional developer machine is not about installing everything. It's about installing only what you actually use. Right? So more app means more background processes, more distractions, more updates, and slower system. So only install those applications which are in use to you. If it is not in use, do not install. You can ignore this video and you can move forward with the next video. Now our Xcode is installed. We can click on open here. So if we see here, it is asking us in order to provide certain permissions, and then we can agree over here for the installation. We can enter the system password to allow the installation. Now over here, this is something that would take time, where we would have to check certain options which we want to work upon. So in our case, we might have to work on the iOS and the macOS. So we would be checking both of these two options, and we can later check these options when we actually develop it. Right? So we can click on download and install. So it would take time to install all of these necessary modules. So now it's asking like, what are the new things in the Xcode? I would just click on continue so that I can start to use it. Right? So our Xcode is installed. Now it's installing some of the predefined models and the simulator part. So it would be getting installed simultaneously. Right? And meantime, so once it is getting installed, it would be auto configured. So now once it is getting installed, let's try to move forward in the next video for the Android Studio setup.